Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Stop using the phone so deleted files aren't overwritten. First, open Google Photos and check trash, and look in your device's gallery recycle bin. Restore if present. If not found, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so a recovery tool on your PC can access internal storage. Make sure battery is charged and use original USB cable. These simple actions let you move immediately into safe recovery without risking further data loss. Once connected to your PC, run a reputable Android recovery program in deep scan mode so it searches unallocated space and slack areas. Choose image file types like JPG, PNG, hike to narrow the scan and save time. The tool will parse file headers and fragments to reconstruct pictures. Preview recovered thumbnails so you can confirm integrity, then select the ones you want. Make sure to export recovered files to your PC or external drive, not back to the phone, to avoid overwriting other recoverable data. After export, copy recovered photos to your PC and upload them to a cloud service for redundancy, then optionally re-import to the phone. Verify image quality and keep originals on external storage. Once done, enable automatic cloud backup and periodic exports so you won't repeat this. If the recovery tool finds few or corrupted files, stop using the device immediately because overwrites reduce chances. At that point, consider a professional data recovery service as hardware-level methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.